Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me style video. I'm going to be doing makeup, possibly hair, not sure about that just yet because I am feeling a little lazy when it comes to my hair lately. But I'm going to be doing an all rose gold makeup look. I'm really excited. I got a few new makeup products that I'm really excited to try and I'm really excited to share with y'all. So let's get this started. I already applied my skincare. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup and my eyebrows off camera so it's not too time consuming. And then I'm going to be using my new Deck of Scarlet Rose Gold products. So I quickly got the eyebrows and the face done, and now I want to talk about the Deck of Scarlet Rose Gold kit. So Deck of Scarlet is a brand that I have mentioned on my channel several times before, and you guys know that I love it. Deck of Scarlet is a makeup line that offers beauty subscriptions. So the brand normally releases these beauty palettes that's like an all-in-one little palette that comes with highlighter, blush, eyeshadow, lip products, and liner. And they're always in collaboration with popular YouTubers, which is really cool. But now they've created this new thing, which is like a trend type of kit. Also a new update about Deck of Scarlet, if you're familiar with it, they're actually now starting to do monthly subscriptions, and they are starting to expand their beauty range to different categories. So there's something new or different to try every month. They're full-size palettes and their kits cost $29.95 a month. So make sure and check out Deck of Scarlet. All of the information will be down below. Okay, so this is the Deck of Scarlet Rose Gold kit that I'm going to be showing you guys, and I'm going to be using today to create a rose gold makeup look. This is a special edition rose gold kit. This is the paper that it came with, and then it came in this box. And inside the box is a pouch. Deck of Scarlet is also cruelty-free and paraben-free. And let's see what's inside the pouch. We have 3 different items here in the kit, and the first item is an all-over highlighting stick. And this is actually absolutely beautiful. So it looks like a white shade, but it's rose gold and iridescent when you apply it. It is a solid highlighter, which is really nice and convenient and not messy. It's also a twist up, which is really cool. You can wear it alone or it can be layered, and the shade of the highlighter is Frozen Rose. Next up, we have the Deck of Scarlet High Shine Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Melting Rose. And then last but not least, we have a Deck of Scarlet Longwear 2-in-1 liner in Desert Rose. It is the pencil and it is a twist up. Also have a smudging sponge at the end. I'm going to be using these 3 products today to create my rose gold look, as well as some other products. So let's get this tutorial started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just pick up a flesh colored eyeshadow just to use as a base on my eyelids and to just kind of set that concealer that I put on there earlier. Next, I'm going to be using my Pure Festival palette, and I'm just going to be picking up these shades here. This one is called Hidden Desert, and the other one I'm going to be using is called All Night. Take this shade and put it on the outer part of my eye, and I'm going to be kind of creating like a V. I'm going to go from my top lash line on the outer V of my eye and move it upwards into my crease. Light, small strokes, up and down and over. I'm just applying the eyeshadow now, but of course I will blend it. For those of you wondering how I'm doing, by the way, I still have a stuffy nose and it's driving me crazy. Everything else is good. So this is what I'm looking like so far. And I'm just going to pull that up just a little bit more and a little bit more over. And I'm just gonna continue to blend. I'm filming in a different location in my room today, so I don't have all of my products and tools with me. So I keep having to get up and like go get them because I forgot some of them, like this blending brush. Okay, this is good enough. Now I'm going to go in with the All Night shade, which is a darker brown. And I just want to kind of use that right here on the outer edge just to kind of define that a little bit more. Going back in with that Hidden Desert, and I'm going to line my bottom lash line with that shade. Also gonna pick up that darker shade again and just put it on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go in with the Deck of Scarlet Desert Rose liner, and I'm actually going to apply some of this to my inner corner. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. It's super creamy. It's applying so perfectly. And then I'm gonna pull that over just a little extra because I'm loving this color. So this is what it looks like swatched, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with this Essence Super Precise eyeliner. I actually really love this eyeliner. It's very easy to use. It's long lasting, and it says it is waterproof, and it just has a fine brush tip. And yeah, so I'm going to line my eyes really quick. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this Melting Rose liquid eyeshadow from Deck of Scarlet. So, let me show you what this swatch looks like because it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna apply it with the wand, which I'm going to do. I'm just gonna kind of pat that on my lid here. And then I'm going to go in with this flat brush here and just blend it and apply it, just patting it around. I don't want to get it on my eyeliner, and I don't want to get it on that eyeshadow I applied. So I'm just going to lightly blend it like this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna pull it on down into my inner corner a little bit, just as a little highlighting. Okay, this is super creamy and blendable. It feels really nice. And it is looking beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the highlighter stick. And it is white iridescent with pink. Not sure if you can see the swatch on my hand, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it underneath my eyebrow. Wow. Zoom in time, can you see that? That is beautiful. This formula actually feels so nice. I'm gonna add a little bit in that inner corner because this is amazing. Really quick before I highlight my face, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face a little bit. I'm using this City Color palette, which I've actually had forever and I forgot about it. And I found it the other day and I'm like, oh my God, I used to love this palette. Like, the shades are perfect. I know this looks crazy, but I am going to blend it. But yeah, I love it. Apply some blush. This is number 7 in Apricot Blossom. Actually, I'm going to do my mascara and then finish off with the highlighter. So I'm going to be using some Lancome mascaras. This is actually a limited edition. I think it's pronounced Monsieur Big. And this is so cute. Look at that packaging. It's hot pink glitter. And then the mascara itself, the tube is also hot pink glitter. How cute is that? I love Lancome mascaras, so this one's actually new, and I've been using it and I love it. And I also got the Lancome Booster XL, which is just the white base. It's a super enhancing mascara base. And yeah, these products are amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. Apply the white base first. And I absolutely love this step. You guys know I started doing this about a year ago and I got so addicted I just couldn't stop. I love applying the base coat first. It's just amazing. So I'm going in with my mascara. If you have never tried Lancome mascaras before, I highly recommend trying them. So I'm actually going to be applying quite a few coats of mascara. I never do my mascara on camera because it's very time consuming and it would take a really long time to film this, but I love long, thick, crazy lashes. So that's why I normally don't film it, because I will sit here and put on like 100 coats because I'm obsessed with big lashes. I also forgot to mention I got these mascaras complimentary from Octilly. Okay, time to start on these bottom lashes. I don't really have good bottom lashes, which is another reason why I love the Lancome mascara, because it actually makes me look like I have bottom lashes, and I need that. Okay, so now that I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to go in with my new Deck of Scarlet Frozen Rose highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my nose. Just gonna apply it like that and dab with my finger. I love how creamy and blendable this is. It's like flawless. A beautiful, subtle little glow. To go back in with the liner, and I'm just going to add a little bit extra under there and up in my inner corner. I'm also going to line my lips a little bit with this. Oh, it's so creamy. So creamy. And then I'm gonna fill in my lips with it as well. So, kind of like a lipstick. I'm taking my highlighter stick now and going over my lips with that. This is like a metallic lip. Voila, I'm done with this rose gold look and I am loving it. I love this lip. The highlighter, the eyeshadow. Girl, this looks actually really cute. So yeah, this is the new rose gold kit from Deck of Scarlet. I highly recommend it because these products were awesome and gorgeous. So tell me what you think about this look. I know it's been a long time since I did a makeup video, so I figured I would go ahead and do that. I actually don't even think I'm gonna fix my hair because I'm just not feeling it today. This actually might be the end of the video because I feel like I went on super long and I don't want to bore you. So, ooh, but seriously, loving this look. Like, to be honest, I am always really impressed with Deck of Scarlet products. Like, they make an amazing mascara. I love their palettes. I love their blushes, their highlighters. They actually make one of my most favorite highlighters ever. Best highlighter I've ever used. And yeah, I love all of their stuff, their eyeshadows. And I'm loving this new rose gold kit. So, like I said, all of the links and stuff will be down below. Check it out. I'm sorry. I just think it's so gorgeous. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.